Hi, I'm Joyce. I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a playlist on ClassHook. As a former teacher, I knew how important it was to stay organized, and you can do so very easily through a playlist. So let's go ahead and click My Clips, Playlists, brand new playlist. Let's call it Literary Devices, Create. Then from here, we are going to go ahead and add some clips. So let's put in a few metaphor clips, do a quick search. We see a clip on Boy Meets World. You'll notice the age, the grade level it's appropriate for, and a quick blurb to give you a synopsis of what this clip is about. This one makes sense. Let's see, maybe we want to skip the ones that have profanity, put the one that has Mulan in there, and maybe let's also put one from Moana. So go ahead and add these 3 clips. You see 3 clips selected, add clips. Great, now we want to go ahead and add a few more clips. Let's say we are looking for simile. Let's see what shows up for simile. All right, for simile, we have also a clip from Pocahontas. So staying with our theme of Disney movies, Aladdin. Let's throw in a Shrek clip as well. So we have these 3 clips selected, add clips. So you'll see your literary devices playlist has these 6 clips, and here are a few things that you can do with this playlist. You're able to share this with your social network, so put it on a Facebook post, Twitter, a classroom, or send it out through an email. Or you also have the option to invite teachers to collaborate with you on this playlist and share this link with them. So go ahead and copy this, send this over to your other ELA teachers, and have a great playlist that all of you can use. That's a quick tour of ClassHook playlists. We're excited to see what kind of playlists you create and what you collaborate on with your other fellow teachers.